Item 1 of daily list. Motion.
Mention.
Yes, mention.
Lordship, I want to mention for item number 4, I want to adjourn the matter.
On behalf of our Majumdar,
Yes, Lordship.
21.
After vacation,
On request made on behalf of our Majumdar, and it's also for list after 1 week.
by the end of April, 30th or 1st of May.
Wait, please, Manoj.
My
The
goodness.
mention item number 5 and 6 with the consent of the petitioners, Manoj. I'm praying for some accommodation in the matter.
Have you taken the consent?
Yes, yes, ma'am. In fact, the petition-
My lord, I am for the petition. My lord, the date may be kindly given.
Okay, Hurt MS,
S. Borpatra Guhai.
S, Borpa,
Borpatra Guhai.
Propata, Govind, Council for the conditions. On request made by Mr.
P. Chaudhary.
P. Chowdhury, and the standing council IBTCL, Mr. Metron.
It's
My lord,
9th May, Manoj, if possible.
9th May, if
9th
it is
of-
possible, my lord.
9.
I'm sorry for you.
Of this week.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Item 1. Yes, may it please your lordship. My lord, the issue before your lordship is not very big one, my lord. I am working as a casual contingency peon in the establishment of additional district judge court at Abhayapuri, Bongaigaon. And I'm working there since, my lord, 2015. Now, my lord, they have advertised some post for peon and I applied there, but I am rejected. My application was rejected because saying that I'm overqualified. And challenging that, I'm before your lordship. My lord, there are two views possible in this case. One view says that since you are applying for a peon, we do not need a higher qualified man. There is one view. The other view is that the employer cannot, in government employment, cannot create a separate class saying that you cannot be a higher qualified man. But that by itself, it will be creating a separate class. My lord, tomorrow, my lord, the parents will be saying to their words that don't be highly qualified because you have to be appointed as a peon in the establishment of the high courts.
Yes, Mr. Mal.
My lord, your lordship kindly see, as per advertisement, he is not eligible. So he is not challenging the advertisement. So we have to go by advertisement. man. If he challenge the advertisement, then different thing, my lord. He has not challenged the advertisement. Your lordship kindly see, my lord, very clear terms, my lord. It is that who has passed HSLC, HCS, he will not be ineligible. He will be ineligible.
Where's the advertisement?
Page 17, your lordship kindly see.
Yes.
Office peon, a qualification required, class 8 pass, HSSLC pass or above shall be ineligible. So he has to challenge this one, my lord. If he is not agreed by that, he has to challenge it.
No,
But
my
it has
lord,
not been challenged.
no, my lord, my respectful submission, I want to participate in this selection process.
But you are.
Bearing this, I am praying for a enforcement of this particular provision, not the whole advertisement.
Have you challenged this?
Yes, I have,
No, it has not been challenged.
Have you challenged the qualification?
1 minute, 1 minute.
There's no challenge. Look at your prayer portion.
Yes, yes. Okay. My lord, what my respectful submission would be, my lord, in a later date, I can amend this particular provisions, my lord, but only for today, my lord. Nothing is, my lord, going to happen adverse, my lord. If lordships in the interim allows me to participate, and this,
See, the advertisement is very clear.
I understand, my lord.
In the absence of challenge to that, I cannot direct.
No, my lord, why I did not challenge the advertisement, there is a reason, because I applied for.
Why not you refile it? You refile it immediately after the vacation.
Till then, in that case, my lord, the interview will be over. The third party rights will be created.
So, my lord, your lordship kindly see, we have to go by the advertisement.
I understand,
My lord,
my lord. Why I did not challenge it directly, because of the fact that I want to participate in the,
No, you don't need to challenge the advertisement, but you can challenge the qualification in the advertisement. You could have done that.
that is what, my lord, that is a mistake, that is a mistake on my part.
So nothing.
That is a mistake
What
on
can
my
this
part.
court do now? This is not challenge. Advertisement is very clear. You're what? You're graduate.
No, I am HSLC passed.
Or you're HSLC pass. So, as per this advertisement, you are ineligible.
I should not have passed higher secondary. I passed higher secondary. According to the advertisement, I should not have passed.
Yes.
But I'm still working. This is another interesting point. I'm still working as a contingency employee, my lord.
We know you're working.
Yeah.
But then for this regular post,
Yes,
you're not eligible.
because I have overqualification. Well, in that point, my lord, if lordship would like to see a judgment, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court says that doing this is also a High Court created this, my lord, in a district judge establishment. And the High Court passed this order that you cannot apply. And Supreme Court says, my lord, you cannot create a class by doing this. If lordship, my lord, come to page 610. Page 610.
Yes.
Paragraph small d, my lord. Above, top, at the top of that page, my lord. Application of those candidates possessing minimum educational qualification of passing fourth vernacular standard and or educated up to passing of seventh standard only should be considered for the interview to the post of peon, and those who have studied above seventh vernacular standard may not take proper interest in the work of peons and therefore should not be called for interview. This is the bar in the higher qualification. Next paragraph. It is the fourth criteria which is under challenge as being arbitrary.
So that was under challenge.
Yes, I understand.
Here it's not under challenge.
I understand.
That is the
my lord.
difference between this
Here is
judgment
a
and-
small mistake on my part, my lord. I apologize for this. If lordship protects me, I'll come up with a refined, my lord.
That
cannot be, my lord.
will not do. It's up to you. It's your choice.
May I refile it, my lord?
You want to withdraw it?
We done. I'll refile it.
H. Hamal and counsel for the petitioner press for withdrawal of this application. With liberty to file a press. Mr. T.J. Mandal and the senior counsel. Assisted by Mr.
A Bolo.
A. Bora appears for the respond number
2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and anyone for one? Or MSM Bhattacharya and additional senior government advocate appears for responder number 1 and T.J. Mandal assisted by so for responders 2, 3. With petitioner district number now, liberty aspect.
I'm
If-
obliged.
One mistake you have done.
Yes. That is my mistake, madam. That's my mistake. Otherwise, it is a good case that your lordship can interfere.
Two.
Provided you challenge.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. One of the petitioner before lordship is a junior engineer working in the public works department, and he passed the certificate A and B of the Institute of Engineers from Ludhiana. So there was some mild confusion earlier whether that degree is valid or is equivalent to B or not. That has been settled by this honorable court. And eventually, my lord, there are other writ petitions which were filed. Similarly situated persons, one order your lordship will get at my lord page 57, where my lord, relying on the earlier decision that the certificate is equivalent to B degree for the purpose of employment also, as has been my lord decided by the 8th also, All India Council of Technical Education. The direction was issued to consider with a speaking order. That is the my lord prayer I have. His case for promotion as assistant engineer should be considered and speaking order be passed.
Yes, where,
Lordship, at this stage, notice me.
why?
Because, Lordship, at what stage it's there? The case of the petitioner. Lordship, that information I have to take. Or Lordship may,
We issue notice.
let it come in the motion stage, my lord.
We take instruction.
Yes.
Heard Mr. M.K. Chowdhury, London Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
Leave her was.
Deep Bharadwaj, London Counsel. Mr. P. Chowdhury, London Standing Counsel,
PWD.
PW, shall receive instructions. When do you want?
Lordship on 24th. Okay. Now less.
A.
Here I am challenging the interim order at page 25, by which the private restaurant 7 was appointed as Gaon Pradhan. Now, the thing is this, Lordship, that the private restaurant number 5 is not.
162 C, मतलब the appeal provision is there. मतलब ठीक हो approach
there
की कोड़ा मतलब direct.
There is. It is there.
Alternative. Yeah, pay.
Yes, Lordship.
Where's the notice?
Notice at page 25, Lordship, this is the appointment letter
No. Notice, advertisement.
or advertisement. Notice at page 20, Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. Ardhar and the counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Revenue J. Hendik, Leonard, Standing Counsel Revenue. For the respondents, 1
and 3 lot.
and 3. Mr. J.K. Goswami, Leonard.
4, 5 and 6.
For respondents.
4, 5
How
and
about
6.
2?
4, 5 and 6.
Two?
Yes. They have a separate statement. मतलब that
He is not a national
notice
party.
earlier मतलब that appeal was मतलब
Okay, 4, 5 and
कोड़ा
6.
मतलब that
Stop. Pursuant to an notice dated 26/5/2022. Correct me
Yes,
if
sir.
I'm going
Yes.
wrong. Invitations, applications were invited for filling up of 101 vacant posts of Count Pratha under revenue circles in the district of Nalbari. The petitioner applied for the post of which
Pura Kusilat.
Count Prathan
Gaon Pradhan.
Gaon Pradhan of Pura Kusilat.
Pura Kuchi lot. Stop. However, where's the selection list?
At page 25.
Page 25.
However,
25.
25 is the.
however, when the results were published on what date is this? 9/2/2024. Where's the respondent's name?
Respondent number 7. Roshi. This is Mira Borman,
Serial number 7.
serial number 17.
17.
17. Mira Borman, wife of Hiranya Borman.
The respondent number 7. MS Mira Barman was selected for the post of Don Pratan Purakuchi. Stop. Para. The case of the petitioner is that what is your case?
Lordship, my father was a retired Gaon
That
Pradhan.
the father of the petitioner was a retired Gaon
Gaon
Pradhan
Pradhan of Pura Kusilat,
of Purakuchi lot,
who retired on 31/3/2022.
who retired on 31/3/2022.
3/2022.
Stop. He therefore claims that being the son of a retired groundbreaker, the petitioner has a superior claim over the respondent number
7.
7. Stop. Did you make any representations? No.
Definition is not required. I have to file one as part of provision under 160.
What is page 28?
Page 28 is the husband of the petitioner. Oh, response number 7 is is belongs to Bharatiya Janata Party lordship. And by the dint of that lordship, she was selected lordship.
Anyway, we're not mentioning.
Her husband, how the conduct of her husband.
The, the Principal Secretary to the Government of Assam, Revenue and Disaster Management within bracket LA and A Department has issued a notification dated 1/2/2024 by which the executive instructions under the Assam Land Revenue Regulation 1886 were amended. And the said executive instructions were amended by the executive instructions under the Assam Land Revenue Regulations, 1886, within bracket amendment 2024. Stop. Executive instruction 162C provides for an appeal against the order of appointment, suspension, and dismissal of a ground pradhan by the Deputy Commissioner or by the Principal Secretary of the Autonomous Council area before the Director of Land Records and Surveys, Assam, within a period of 60 days. But accordingly, the petitioner is directed to file an appeal before the Director of Land Records and Surveys, Assam, oblique respondent number 3 under executive instructions 162C. Stop. Thereafter, on receipt of the appeal, the respondent number 3 shall consider and dispose of the same by a speaking order and in accordance with law within a period of
90 days.
3 days, 3 months from the date of receipt of a copy of, from the date of receipt of the act with the above observations in the agency.
Obliged.
7. Admission.
Your lordship, my lord. But in this case, my lord, the petitioner is praying for reinstatement, my lord. With a contractual employee
Petitioner has died.
expired, my lord. Okay, my last chance is given.
Does it survive?
Nothing survives, my lord. It will close.
Anyway, just nobody will list it some other day. None appears for the petition. Mr.
VK Barua,
V.K. Barwan, Leonard Council, appears for the
respondents, my lord.
respondent bank.
Yes.
Stop it. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Okay. The date may be fixed, my lord. If
List the matter again on. Today is what, 10th. Okay, hurt me.
I love that.
8. Eight.
None appears for the petitioner, Mr. J.K. Goswami, Leonard Tradition. Senior
Here in this case, lordship, I am on behalf of the respondent 5, lordship.
affairs on behalf of the respondent number 5.
Yes, sir.
List the matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
9. Order.
May I please, lordship? My lord, this is a 2018 very old matter, lordship.
Mm.
And lordship, there was clear mandamus, lordship.
for release of area salary lordship. Already they have filed affidavit lordship.
Hmm?
They have already filed affidavit lordship.
Yes, so
It's not- Madam.
who's appealing for the other?
Mr. NJ Khatoni was appearing.
Okay.
And lordship, a contempt order, your lordship will find at page 70 lordship. For a moment, lordship. Page 70 lordship.
That you have said. Your good time, please.
D. Bhuya, my lord.
But Mr. D. Boyan, then the call to put it. None appears on behalf of the respondents. In the interest of justice. Yes,
My lord, possible for the time being, my lord.
time being, we are on the end of the list.
That
You are appearing on behalf of,
and they happen.
okay, cancel it. Third, Mr. D. Boyan, Learned Counsel for petitioner on request made on behalf of NJ Khatania, Learned Counsel for the response number 4. Is it
My lord, respondent number.
respondent number 4, isn't it?
My lord. Yes, my lord. Respondent number 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4.
For the respondents 2 and 3 and 4. List the matter. When do you want? When do you want?
Hello, after.
List the matter.
After.
After.
10,
Apply.
Item 10, my lords, very soon we are in the process of disbursing. You said it will be paid in 2 weeks' time.
Yes, yes, my lords. It's under process, my lord. I undertake, my lords. By this week, my lord, we are issuing a check. I had a discussion with the special secretary in the morning. Easy. What had happened basically, this money has to go through government account. But now since there's a contempt, my lord, we are taking extraordinary steps and releasing out of our own funds. My lord.
Okay.
So there's a time needed.
Third, Mr.
J. Colita.
J. Colliton, Learned Counsel for the.
Look.
Mr.
D. Google.
D. Gogol, Learned Counsel, appearing for the response number
1, my lord.
1. Submits that the interest of the interest amount of rupees 89,515 shall be released to the petitioner within 1 week from
1 week.
Stop. In that we have the matter. Release the matter again on 26.
26.
Sir, my presence may be recorded. I'm for the respondent content number 3,
Mr.
B. Sharma.
P. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appears for the respondent number 3.
I'm sorry, very sorry, my lord. In item number 9, I could not make it. I was in another court.
On behalf of Khatania, this has been, Bhuyan was there.
Yes, my lord. I was in court number 10, my
So
lord.
Bhuyan was there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bhuyan was there.
No, item number 9, my lord.
That's what I'm saying.
8.
8. I'm sorry, no, I'm sorry. No, 8. Sorry, my lord. Item number 8.
Yes, what do you want?
My lord,
Don't disturb the cost list. You wait.
my lord. Or lordship may fix a date, my lord. Your lordship has already passed order, my lord. Lordship may fix a date, my lord, kindly.
What did I say? Miss the metro on. When do you want?
Any date, my lord. Lordship may, immediately after vacation, my lord.
30.
Oblike.
11, ordered.
Contempt matter, my lord. Before 1 year, my lord, the order was passed in the read court, my lord. And now,
Lordship, in fact, we have already forwarded the petition proposal to the AG, Lordship, on January 12th, Lordship.
That we already know, but then what happened after that?
That, Lordship, I think,
Accountant General is a party here.
not the party.
not the party.
Because in the read, my lord, the AG was not the party.
Your lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr.
And my
MA
friend should
Islam.
also contact his.
MA Islam, then counsel for the petition. Mr. N. Ubadia, then counsel appearing for the respond number.
Both the respondent.
For the, both the respondent submits that the proposal, that the respondents have sent the proposal to the office of the accountant general on
12-1.
what proposal?
Pension proposal, Lord.
I sent the pension proposal of the petitioner to the office of the accountant general Assam on
12-1-24.
12/1/2024. He, however, prays for some time to enable him to receive updated instructions. Praise the Lord. Release on, when do you want? You want a date or after 2 weeks?
No, my lord, fix a date, my lord.
First May.
First May. All right, lord. Obliged.